Hannah is opening the present from Grandma and Grandpa. Can you tell what it is?
It's a new dress. It's a new dress.
What is it, Hannah?
It's a new dress.
A dress. Oh, it's so pretty. Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, what else is in there?
And now what? You couldn't take that little video. Read. Take the card out. Read the card.
Oh, well,
Let's do the card first. Hannah gets a card. Here, I'll read it, Hannah. It says, wishing you joy that never stops growing. Happy birthday, Hannah. Send me a video with you dancing in one of the outfits. Love, Grandma. What is it? Let me see what this is. I wonder what this is. What?
Yeah,
Look at
what
the
is
other side.
that?
Other side. Frozen stove.
Can I see your face?
And this got
Frozen. Oh, that's so cute.
Show her the shirt, Hannah.
Cute. Oh, cute. And what else is in there? Right there. Right there.
This one?
What is that? What is that, Hannah?
Skirt.
It's a skirt. Whoa, what do you say, Hannah?
Thank you.
That's it.
Say thank you, Hannah. Thank
Do
you.
you like it?
Yep.
All right, we'll have to try them on now, huh?
Yep.
What do you want to try on first?
Do this one. Do that one.
Which one?
What? The dress.
Dress. Okay.